right, today we are heading back to a G-Force project to do a progress update. Let's go. All right, and just like that, we are where we need to be. Let's go see what's going on. Looking good. Buenos dias.
Amigo.
Very nice. All right, let's get to filming. Said it before and I'll say it again, watch your footage back on site. Very nice. Just like that, we are out of here. I love what I do, and not just because of the drones and the video and all of the fun that's associated with that process, but the people that I get to work with. That's what really makes it all worth it. Until next time, my friends.